Hello, in this video, let us show you how to import actual data from an image into Excel. This feature is available in both the Office 365 and your Excel app that could be downloaded if you already have that Office 365 subscription already. In this example, we want to import a list of stocks from Google Finance. If you're thinking about copying and pasting this information, well, not so fast. Look what happens if we try to copy and paste. Even when I choose paste values only or match the destination formatting, we get a list that is not so clear, and we will need to format a lot of data. Now watch what happens when I take a screenshot of the stock list by using my snipping tool, available in your Microsoft computer for free depending on your version. I am opening it in my taskbar. So now I'm going to press the new snip button with the plus sign, and now we are selecting and dragging the area with the stock information that I need. Now let's wait for the screenshot to appear in my snipping tool. There you go. Now we're ready to click copy on the upper right hand corner, and now we are going to be back in Excel. Now the screenshot is in the clipboard the moment that we click copy in the snipping tool. So in Excel, I'm using the same workbook as before so you can see the difference. So let's go ahead and go to the Data tab. I'm selecting From Picture, and we're going to see in a moment how Excel processes image. So we are ready to import the data and inserting this picture. Look at the picture from file if the image lives in your computer, but we're going to select picture from clipboard. Excel is now loading and at the same time checking the image for any possible corrections needed on the right panel. We even have a chance to review, edit, and insert the data we need from this screenshot. For this demo, I am going to review a few items and then insert my information as is, since you can easily change it in Excel. Let's go ahead and check a couple of things. You can make any changes that you want or just click accept at the bottom, accept or close, and just navigate through those suggestions that Excel has for you. All right, so I finished checking the suggestions. All looks good, so let's go ahead and finish by inserting the data. I'm clicking accept, as you can see there. And then I'm going to click insert anyway because there were other suggestions pending. Look at that, it looks wonderful, formatted just the way I need it. This is another example where this is an image from a website called financialsamurai.com that lists the average car prices. So we cannot even copy the data and paste in Excel even if you wanted to. So we will repeat the same steps by opening the snipping tool. Then we are going to go ahead and click on the new button, the new snip, to take a screenshot. And now we can drag the selection that we want. And now once the image appears in your snipping tool area, you're going to click on the upper right hand corner to copy that in your clipboard. So now we're ready to go back into Excel. Once in Excel, let's go to the Data tab, select From Picture. Remember, you can also get an image from your computer, but we will go ahead and select from clipboard again. And now we have the information in Excel. This time for this example, we don't have to make any changes to it because the picture from the website, it's in the shape of a table similar to Excel, and the data is easy to capture. This time, I'm actually going to ignore the changes and just insert data and press insert anyway. Now look at that. So we save ourselves hours of work. We didn't have to type this manually because now it's ready for use in Excel. Let us know in the comments below if you're already using this feature and what other tips would you like to know in Excel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.